guys, my name is Tuke Morgan and I'm a Nigerian-based lifestyle blogger, saxophonist and content creator. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this twist out look. Yes, I fluffed it out, hence why it isn't as defined as it was initially. But if you want to know what products I use, keep watching. Hi guys, my name is Tuke Morgan. Hope you are doing well. In my last hair video, I attempted to do a Bantu knot out, but it didn't really come out as planned. It was nice, but it just wasn't as defined as I expected. And different people gave their feedback. Some people were like, I should have made the twist smaller, I should have made them tighter. So I did that, and this is what the twists look like. So I'm just going to take off the twist and then we're going to see how it looks. I used this Creme of Nature argan oil leave-in, some sweet almond oil, and then this Mielle product. I used a mix of this curling custard and the curling cream I used in the last video. So yeah, let's start. So my best friend already abused my technique and was like, oh, the twist should have been a bit tighter at the base, but this is the way I know how to twist. Next time I will try and make it tighter. Nice definition. My sister got me a ring light for my birthday and I am using it with soft boxes. I usually film with natural light, but I'm just trying to figure out my artificial lighting setup. So if this video looks different from my regular videos, that's why. Ooh, and they said I should put oil on my hand so it doesn't frizz. I forgot about that. Need to get me some oil. So I'll take out the twist off camera and then come back. So I've taken out the twist and this is what it looks like. It's quite defined and actually very defined. There's a lot of definition. So I know people normally like separate it and stuff. I'm not really a twister girl, I'm a sleek updo girl. I don't know, man. So I'm just gonna brush it out and then come back and show you. This is what I'm using. So I separated it out and it looks quite good. I like my curls, I like it. I'm just gonna do some makeup and then take some pictures and insert the pictures so you can see, but I do like it. I like it. Okay, so I do like it. It's very springy and voluminous. And I'll just take some pictures and insert them. Yeah, it turned out quite nice, I must say. Quite nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you prefer twist outs or braid outs or Bantu knot outs, and if you have any secrets to stop your hair from frizzing. Remember, I am based in a humid country, Nigeria. See you in my next video. Bye.